these are the common mistakes that most affiliate marketing do in this online space, right? So you need to avoid all these mistakes for you to start making sales and start making monies from this affiliate marketing. And the first mistake they do is that they promote product they like, right? So that's not how affiliate marketing does. You just join into a platform and you start promoting it. No, you need to do what we call a market analysis, right? So when it's to come to market analysis, like you go out to your audience, like what are the things that my audience like and they will like to buy from me, right? So before you jump into the product that you want to promote, that's why you see all those affiliate marketing platforms that you see outside, like Xpartner, Digitner, and all those stuffs. They have a lot of products like video editing, graphic design, social media management training, and all those affiliate marketing training stuff too, right? So whenever you join and you see that okay, with all this my audience they like graphic design, so just go for graphic design. If what they like is video editing, go for video editing, right? So that's how things done. And when you are doing these things, that you are promoting products to your audience, right? Don't promote random products. Stick to one product to your audience. Let them know that okay, this is what this person really knows, that you can benefit from it. Like if you are selling clothes, sell clothes. If you are selling shoes, sell shoes. Right? Let them know what you are doing. All right. If you are selling all these outfits together, start promoting it, but don't join another things to it so that your marketing stuff will be easy. Right? So when you are doing your promotions to your audience, right, they will know if you are faking it or you are real. Because when you are promoting something you two don't understand, right, they will know what you are talking about, like you are fake, you just want to collect their money and all those stuff, right? So you need to promote what people are searching for, that what that can solve their problem for you to start making money in this online space. The second mistakes a lot of people do in this online is that a lot of people don't build audience, right? A lot of people don't build audience. What they just do is that they come into their social media platform and they started dropping link, or they join particular group and they started spamming people, right? They drop link under the comment section, they do everything. That's not how we do marketing, right? So if you want to do real marketing, you need to build an audience, like build trust first with your audience. Let them trust you, let them know you, so that they can be able to talk to you about what you are promoting to them. A lot of people buy something from the people that they love, okay? Not just about the product. They buy from someone that they trust and love, right? So you need to build what we call a trust before you start promoting the product that you want to promote. So if you have the product already, you need to first of all build the trust about the around the product, so that whenever you want to promote the product, all your audience will listen to you and wanted to know more about the product. So that is the second mistake that a lot of people do in this online space. You just come online and start dropping link in the comment sections, do all those stuff, spamming people. That's not how we do affiliate marketing. That's why you see some people that say they have been doing affiliate marketing for years, 2 years, 3 years, and they are not making anything. No, that's not how marketing is done, right? The third mistake right here is that a lot of people doesn't track their analysis. When we are talking about their analysis, like where are your sales coming from? Where are people coming from to buy from you? If you don't track it, like you don't study it, there will be someday that the traffic will stop and we don't know what to do again. Like maybe you are using 2 or 3 social media for your affiliate marketing, right? And you don't track where all these people are coming from. Yeah, it will be issue for you, because there will be sometimes you will just stop posting on one social media, right? And it might be the one that are giving you money, that are giving you more sales, that you just stop. So that's why you need to track all these stuffs, all your link, where your audience are coming from, where your buyers are coming from, so that you can be grow in this online space, right? You need to focus on the content that gives you more sales and more audience, right? If you see that this content that you post today give you more views, more visibility, and give you more sales, try to recreate that content, rebrand that content, create it more and more, then you post it. That's how you do affiliate marketing. If you wanted to make more money in this online space, you need to be consistent on what is working. So this is how the common mistakes that a lot of people do in this online space. So I wanted to learn about it very well, so that you will not do these same mistakes whenever you wanted to start your journey. And if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and
like this video, then share it with others so that they can benefit from this video. So I see you guys in my next video on the day 3 on a series of how to start your affiliate marketing and be successful within the 30 days, right?